Hi, kindergarten friends. I'm back with another game. This game is you're going to make the same game board that you made last week with the addition facts. Remember, we took our big white paper, we drew lines, we put our sticky notes on there. So the two supplies that you can use this week are going to be your sticky notes and a piece of white paper. If you don't have any more white paper, you can flip that paper over and use the other side that you wrote your numbers on. Or you can just use any paper that you have at home. It doesn't even have to be a big piece like mine. What we're going to do first is I'm going to use my refrigerator again. This is a game board that I made. I drew red lines instead of the black lines. Same thing, I put 5 sticky notes across the top, the middle, and the bottom. I did not put one right here in the very middle. Instead, I wrote Power Word Memory Game. I'm not going to need to use that square. Then what I did is I wrote words. I wrote words, power words. And I used some 2G words. You can use 1G words, 2G words. If you're into the 1B tricky words, you can use those. Whatever words you're working on, put up on this chart because that will help you learn those words. Make sure, one thing you need to do, make sure you write the word 2 times. You want to do it 2 times because it's a memory game. So I wrote the word out, and somewhere on the board I wrote the word out again. So make sure when you write your words, you're going to write them 2 times in 2 squares. Then you're going to play. I'm going to play by myself, but you can play with a partner at home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn over a paper, or I'm going to pull off a sticky. So I have the word out. You have to make sure that you can read the word out. So I have to find that word out somewhere. I have out and got. Out and got. I don't think that those 2 words don't match. So I'm going to put my sticky note back over it. But I want to remember where those words are. I want to try to remember that out is here and got is there, just in case it comes up as you're playing. That's why it's the memory game. You need to remember. So I'm going to pick another one. I don't have a partner to play with, so I'm going to pick this. Ooh, tricky word. The W words. We have a lot of W words, words that begin with a W. But this one is with, so I need to find the word with. And I think I'm going to play this. Oh, look at that. With and with. Do they match? Yes. So I'm going to keep my little sticky notes, and it would be your partner's turn. Since I don't have a partner, I will play again. Let's see. I have the word live. Live. Let me try this one. Wow. Live and live. I'm good at this game. So I'm going to keep that because I made a match and I could read the word. If I can't read that word live, then I'd have to put my paper back on there because you want to make sure that you can read those words. So I was able to read the word live, and I read the word out or with. Play with your partner and have fun. And I will see you again.